Okay, so we're going to do this example 5 together. Hopefully you filled in the notes on all the other examples. So it says find the critical values. So we're going to find the critical values and the intervals of increasing or decreasing and the relative extrema. So the first thing we want to do is find the derivative. And to find our critical values, we set the derivative equal to 0. Okay, so we have our critical values. And then to find our intervals of increasing or decreasing, we make a little chart. And -4 is on here. So this is going to be anything less than -4, so that's going to be right here. We're going to split it up, and then we're going to try numbers less than -4 and greater than -4. So I might try something like -5 in my derivative. If the derivative is positive, so if I were to put 2 times -5 plus 8, I would get -10 plus 8, or -2. So it's negative. And then, let me fix this. And then we're going to try something bigger than -4, so we'll try -3. 2 times the -3 plus 8 is -6 plus 8, which is positive. So we know that the intervals of increasing or decreasing. Notice I put this in the derivative. So this is f prime of x is negative, less than -4, and f prime of x is positive when you're bigger. So increasing intervals is going to be -4 to infinity, and decreasing intervals is going to be -infinity to -4. Now, you can put brackets on the -4. Some calculus teachers feel strongly that they should be brackets. I don't know how I feel or care about it, so either brackets or parentheses is fine. They will not take off on the AP. On the AP test. Okay, so relative extrema, we know that f of -4 equals -4 squared plus 8 times the -4 plus 10, which is 16 minus 32 plus 10, which is -16 plus 10, or -6. So there, is that a max or a min, and how do I know? Well, if it changes from negative to positive, it's changing from decreasing to increasing, so we know that's a relative min.